Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a really rainy day here. Just have a look outside the greenhouse. But the garden's starting to fill out now, which is great. My perennial borders. I've got some annual poppies over there. Pampas grass, but let's come in here. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. I'm going to be giving away some of these Quantock Perfection Angel Pelargoniums. I bought these from Firebricks Nursery last year. Took several cuttings over the winter, and now I've got these amazing cuttings that I'm going to be giving away. I can only post to the UK, unfortunately, because you can't post live plants out of the country. So yeah, if you leave a comment on my YouTube channel, or if it's Facebook or Instagram, you'll all be entered into the competition. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous flowers, absolutely amazing. I had these in some baskets last year, and they just filled out and filled out and filled out, and they just flowered all year, as long as you deadhead regularly. Absolutely amazing. They go to a maximum height of 50 centimetres. They enjoy a really good tomato feed. Really helps them flower for a little bit longer. High potash. I use Tomerite on mine. This one's got about this single plant. I cut it really well back in the autumn. I have some LED grow lights, so I took some cuttings off it. As you can see here, just needs deadheading a little bit. But the no growth is absolutely amazing. I use a peat-based compost for growing these. This one grows to about 50 centimetres tall. Nice bushy habit to it. And it's thinning out in the middle. It flowers for a long time, I've found, if you feed it on a good potash plant food. And I don't mix these with anybody, I just have these on their own in a basket, or a half moon basket. And I really enjoy the flowers. I've got several cuttings here. So if you leave a comment on my Facebook, Instagram or YouTube on any of them videos about this, I will enter you in the competition. I can only post them to people in the UK, unfortunately. I mean, this one's got 4 in, so I'll be splitting this one up. So is that one as well. So some are smaller than the others, but it's luck of the draw, I'm afraid. So yeah, I'll post them out probably end of next week. So you'll have till next Saturday. I'll announce the winners on Saturday. So that's not this Saturday, the Saturday after. I'll announce the winner on Saturday the 14th of May. And I'll post them out probably on that Monday. So yeah, all you've got to do is just leave me a message, a comment, and I'll enter you in the competition. I don't know if I'm going to give 1 or 2 to each winner. We'll see how many people enter. If a lot of people enter, you'll get 1 each. Not many people enter, you get 2 each. But I'll announce the winner on that Saturday. So I hope everybody wins. Well, of course, you can't all win, but I hope whoever wins enjoys them. They're absolutely gorgeous. And from this plant, that's the size I got last year. It ended up, within a month or so, it ended up this size. So they really do grow really fast. And they're really beautiful plants, as long as you keep them watered and really well fed. So like I said, tomato feed once a week. I use a peat-based compost. Some people use peat-free, whatever takes your fancy. So thank you very much, everybody. Hope to be posting these out in a week or so. Thank you very much, everybody. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Be lucky and please be safe. Thank you. Bye.